How to remove Snapchat filter from a photo. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove Snapchat filters from a photo. So let us begin. First, open up your Snapchat. After you open it up, just pull out the photo from where you want to remove the filter from. After you open it up, tap on the three dots on the top right. Now here, tap on Edit Snap. And after you tap on Edit Snap, you can swipe to add or remove the filter. So as you can see right here, these are the filters. Now you can simply remove them by taking it to a non-filtered camera here. And to export this, what we then need to do is just tap on Send To. And after you tap on Send To, scroll down under Share Elsewhere, and there you will see the download option. Tap on download and you've just downloaded the unfiltered Snapchat photo. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.